Did you know almost every ancient civilization tells the same story of a great flood that nearly wiped out humanity? In India, Manu was warned by a mysterious talking fish, an avatar of Vishnu. In Greece, Zeus sent a flood, but Deucalion and Pyrrha survived by building an ark. In Mesopotamia, Utnapishtim built a giant boat, saving people and animals. But here's the twist. These cultures were oceans apart with no contact. Yet they all told the same story: divine warning, a chosen survivor, and a world reborn. So what does this mean? Just myth, or a memory of a real disaster our ancestors lived through? Comment your thoughts below.